Class, now that we've covered all the lessons, kindly prepare for a long quiz next meeting. Now, if you have any concerns, don't hesitate to ask.
Saan po magsasagot, sir?
Long quiz, di ba?
Yes, sir.
Sa Manila paper. Okay, class, listen. In preparation for our next activity, please group yourselves into 4.
Sir, pwede po 5?
Pwedeng hindi. Class, that's all. I guess yun naman. Nakatulayan niya. Minsan ako bisa mag-joke eh. Kailan you? Okay, listen, class. For the next part, if the statement describes qualitative research, you write P.
Sir, P po as in...
Yes, P as in psychology. Okay, class, that's it. Any concern?
Sir, malyari na kayo po mag-pass final output.
Ba, next week yung fine deadline na niyan.
Yari na kayo po kasing group 1, sir eh.
Ba, pakabilis.
Yari kaming group 2, sir. Yari na karin po, sir.
Ba, sigurado kayo.
Yari kami rin, sir. Group 3, sir. Yari na karin po, sir.
Group 4, sir. Yari na karin, sir.
Ikayungan.
Opo, sir. Kunan mo na lang, sir.
Eh, kaya sana yung mami ang late, sir. Maraming kayo palagi, sir.
Aari ni, sir. Aari ni, sir. Sir.
Oy, next week na, sir.
Kunan mo na lang, sir.
Next week na. Okay, class, so that's it. That concludes our lesson for today. Thank you for listening. Any concern, class?
O, sir. Magpista mo po.
Ikayo mo? Abe yuko po.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Busy po ata, sir. Mag-check po ata, sir.
Mali?
Ano pong gagawa niyo, sir?
Magrong. Okay, class, listen. Your next task is a group activity. And since this involves working in groups, aburenda kayong sumiping karing kaluguran nyo, karing best friends you, karing tropa you, before we form your groups. Okay, remember, we are to form 4 groups here. Now you have the freedom to be seated beside your friends, best friends. Go!
Wait, friend, dito!
Go, dito na tayo.
Yes! Sabi tayo! Yes!
Okay na? Katabi nyo na yung mga kaibigan nyo?
Yes po.
Okay, now, let us count 1 to 4.
Ray, tin ka stapler? Wala man. Janica, tin ka stapler?
Wala man.
Ika, tin ka mo rin stapler?
Wala ko man.
Ika, Abilino, tin ka stapler?
Naruto, stapler.
Yes, sir.
Alaman. Okay, class, listen. Let's have a quick review. Can you please give me 2 examples of pronouns? Naruto.
Who? Me?
Correct. Okay, class, any concern?
Sir,
Na.
malyari ka po magkasabi kitang proposal may para next week, sir.
Proposal next week.
Opo.
Ali yung nagagana kanta niya, class. Balo ko, dakal kayo gagawan. Alita na malawos kang Monday.
Yes!
Ken neng Tuesday. Oh, bisa kang may pasar. Nalang gagawan.
Sir, excuse po.
Okay na. O sige, thank you na na. Bah, atsu ka pa. Alang makanita.
Sir, morning sir.
Good morning.
Tingin ko kung kaya sir.
Nanita.
Balo may 224 sir.
224?
May balo sir. Hi sir. Today, tomorrow, forever. Sir naman ay updated.
Wah. Uy ka. Baluming 7-2.
Halika sir.
Uy ka palang ngali updated king grades mo eh.
Sir, left or right?
Ba, syempre left.
Wala naman sir.
No ka rin niya.
Magic.
Galing nga. O class, isa kayo ako mag-magic. O sige. Punaming wallet mo. Bilangin ming laman.
75 ya sir.
75. O sarami. O ngeni. Labulan me. O buklan me pasibayo.
Ba sir, nunya miras.
O syempre.
O sir,
Oh.
auto-check yung card ko.
Excess can be toxic. Remember, moderation is key to a balanced life. Maya ping sosobra. Balo yo metong mo ing masanting a sosobra. Sweldo. Thank you. Salamat. Thank you.
Sir, happy birthday sir.
Thank you.
Sir, pikit po kayo sir.
Pikit, bakit?
May wish po kami sir.
Sige.
Sir, sana po mawala ng stress nyo sa buhay.
Class? Okay, class. Why say very cold when you can say freezing? Freezing. Very tired. Exhausted. Very big. Massive. Wow. Very small. Tiny. Very fast. Rapid. Very angry. Furious. Very old. Patient. Very good.
Ako po.
Sir,
Mana?
makala ko po yata.
Oo. Kuman.
O sige po sir, salamat po.
Kaya kayo.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Sir, magyari daw ko po bang interviewan?
Interview? Sure.
First question po, sir. Sir, when you cook an egg, do you put salt?
No.
Why, sir?
Because it's a sin.
Oh, fishball, fishball. Sir, fishball, sir.
Sige na. 5.
5, sir. How do you like fishball cook, sir?
Well done.
Sir, alyari ko pong manyad pa yung relationship, sir.
Bah, in love ka yata, nena. You know what? Love is beautiful, but your future is priceless. Prioritize your studies now, nak, so you can enjoy both later.
Noted po, sir. Salamat po.
Tagano ko rin yawari, nak.
Pangasinan niya po, sir.
Ay, kalawot!
Yes po, sir. Long distance kayo po eh.
LDR, ne? Balo mo na anong masakit king LDR?
Ano, sir?
Pamasay. Nano lamoren?
Sir, and ako na naman po updated na, sir. Apin po rin na rin latest niya ni sobrang Latina.
Ano?
Sobrang Latina.
Sobrang Latina?
Yes po, sir. Then po, sir, nanula po rin.
Rene? Ring grades you.
Sir, ipasar ko po ba?
Sobrang Latina ning chance. Okay, class, before we start, let's have a vocabulary check first. What do we mean by forfeit?
Sir,
Yes, Naruto.
to forfeit means to lose something because of a rule or a mistake. For example, in a basketball game, if a team does not have enough players, they might forfeit the match, which means the other team wins automatically. Sir.
Yes, Naruto.
Forfeit, apat na bitis, sir. Oh, sir. Hindi ko po sabihin.
Sakto na. Ating kuring sabihan.
Muna na ako po, sir.
Kaya sige na.
Bali po kasi, sir, pisabi mo po may kakaklase. Ano pong kanya maging pakiramdam, patsiyang ako sa tulog. Yung kaya pong anak, sir. Wala po. Patsiyang, sige nak, nanita nak, kumusta na anak. Makanta po, sir, ano pong kanya maging pakiramdam.
Makanta.
Opo, sir. Ay, ano po palita sabihin, sir?
Bagsak ka na.
Sir, atin ko pong joke.
Joke? Busy ko pa mo?
Kalagad po, sir. Break time naman po.
Sige na, Pen. O, nanito.
Ano po ang hayop na mahilig kumanta?
Mahilig kumanta. Ating makanta?
Yes, sir.
Nano?
Palakanta. Yes, sir. Tipamentong.
Nano?
Ano ang hayop na pansulat?
Pansulat? Nano?
Lafish. Yes, sir. Last na.
O, last na yan. Nano yan?
Ano ang hayop na palagi nauuntog?
Ting makanta, nauuntog.
Sir.
Nano?
Eddie Dog.
O ini, anong hayop ang laging bumabagsak?
Ba, sir? Timakanta?
Atin.
Ano po, sir?
Edi ikaw.